In this video, I'll show you how to connect Uniswap to Trust Wallet. First, open the Uniswap web app on your phone or desktop browser. Tap the Connect button, then choose Wallet Connect if Trust Wallet is not shown right away. Uniswap's official guide explains that if your wallet is on a mobile device, you can scan the QR code or open the Wallet Connect link to continue. Next, in Trust Wallet, approve the connection request. If you're using mobile, the app may prompt you to open Trust Wallet automatically. Once the request appears, review the connection details and confirm. Trust Wallet's support page says you can use dApps through WalletConnect and then continue with actions like swapping or other supported features after the wallet is connected. Before you approve, always make sure you are on the real Uniswap website and check what permissions the wallet is asking for. After the connection is complete, return to Uniswap and your Trust Wallet should now be linked and ready to use. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.